Hi guys, today we are going to unbox this 2-pack starter kit. This is the sourdough starter jar and it has a feeding day tracker and more. So let's open this together. Once you open it, it comes with the 2 spatula right here. It also comes with a QR code that you can scan to follow the instructions. The 2 jars are secured with these styrofoam pads. This is what it looks like. This is what the jar looks like. It's made of glass, a wide rim, elastic band that you can wrap around the jar at the top, but it says Kneadace at the top. It shows you the date and time that you can wrap around the jar, and a thermometer sticker right here. And then this is what the spatula looks like. This is made of silicone. It says Kneadace at the bottom, and it can go all the way inside the jar like that. The jar also shows the milliliter, so 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. So this is what it looks like.